guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. There's about 1,000 ports that are going to be installed on this project. Got about 500 or 600 installed already. These are your ports here. That's what it wants to look like, and you get your adhesive on there. This project, we've got some pretty tight tolerances we're dealing with. Usually I can get away with a low viscosity injecting. Here we're going to go with a super low viscosity. See how small some of these cracks are. Get farther along, you can follow this project on my website from beginning to end, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 other videos of my projects. Thanks for watching. You need epoxy injection, give me a call. Once these ports are installed, and you still got to seal around them, seal the crack between them before we start injecting our resin. See you guys on the next video.